sit in the middle.
You should be halfway squeezed like I was. Yeah, stay like that.
Alright, you got the brake on? Alright, I'm gonna let you go, so you go whenever that on.
Games is an event held every April in Lenoir, North Carolina. It's based around Soapbox Derby. I think that's how it started. I'm not positive, but it's much more than that. It's basically a big, huge outdoor science fair. So there's, you know, solar-powered race cars. There's a robot competition. The guy with all the snakes and the lizards show up. They have animals. They have all kinds of stuff going. It's a really cool event. But the cornerstone of it is the Soapbox Derby race. We discovered it and decided this would be a great way for Mitchell to reach out to the public to let them know that what we do there, we do some pretty cool technical science type stuff ourselves. We have 5 different schools all working with Mitchell. So we've got 2 high schools and 3 grade schools. And the young kids built what's called a stock car, kit car. They come all ready to assemble. And then the high school kids built what's called an engineered class car, which is as long as you stay within a certain framework of rules, how long, how wide, how tall, things like that, you can pretty much build anything you want as long as it's safe. It gets them involved to see what the college atmosphere can be like, because in the technical part of the school, we do all kinds of really cool things. This gets the kids in there to see what the potential is, what their future could be. I mean, not everybody has to be a doctor or a lawyer, something like that. This gets them a chance to put their hands on something and actually do something, and then think, hey, in a few years, I'm going to be having to looking for a college. Maybe this is one of my good options.